how to change your Instagram account to private. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your Instagram application, and inside Instagram application, head over to your profile section, and as you can see inside my profile section, there is at the top right corner hamburger icon. Click on that. Once you click on that, simply head over to your account privacy option here, and as you can see, I can turn it in the private mode. So once you want to switch into your private mode, you can always switch it back to the public mode, so that all your reels or remixes templates will be reverted back to the default way. So for now I will switch it to private to show you guys how you can set it to private. As you can see, my account is business account and it can be private. If you want to make your account private, first switch back to personal account. So as you can see, it asks me to first switch my account to personal mode. So to do that, so first head over to your hamburger icon again, and until you find the option called your account is business, so click on the business tools and control option here, and you can see switch account type option here. Simply switch to the personal account. Once you switch to the personal account, you lose all access to the activities you have performed previously. So it really doesn't matter, as we are creating the account to private mode. So wait for some time. So as you can see, it's successfully switched to personal account, and once it's personal account, you can simply head over to your account privacy section here again, and as you can see, it's public. You can simply enable this option and switch it to the private option. So the account has been successfully changed to private account. So that's it, guys. That's exactly how you can turn your Instagram account to private. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this. See you in the next one.